We're here with Origin 360 EV at Fujitsu's National Distribution Centre in Lidcombe to test out the first of our electric vehicles. We decided to go with Origin Energy for a couple of reasons. The first being that they've just been very flexible and being able to work around us and our needs. We started off with a pilot because we need to learn a lot through this pilot trial of how to optimize the electric vehicles so that we can not have any operational impacts for services through to our customers. So we're using that as a pilot trial, and Origin were very flexible with that. And they have great knowledge, in-depth knowledge about electric vehicles, about the market, helping us connect to subsidies, government grants and the like to really help make that a very cost-effective proposition for us to explore at this stage. And they've just been great partners to work with and very responsive. Whenever we've had questions or challenges, they've been able to come up with alternatives and help us through the process and get us across the line.
Origin EV team took the time to investigate how Fujitsu field services operate. Origin understood how introducing EVs to the fleet will help us to operate differently to meet Fujitsu's sustainability target while looking after our engineers' driving and safety experience. It is important that we manage the transition to EV vehicles without impacting the services we provide to our customers. Origin EV team has made the transition as seamless as possible. They were proactive and wanted to go on the journey with us.
We've really increased the ambition of our sustainability targets, bringing forward by 20 years a commitment to net zero scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions by 2030. And our electric vehicles are core to that. The Origin 360 EV Flex plan that we're on provides us with that flexibility to be able to upgrade to different vehicles depending on what our operational needs are. We're currently trialling some vehicles that are very close to some of the smaller vehicles that we use in our field services team. But as mentioned, it gives us that opportunity to scale up and to try out different vehicles that we might need as well.
I would really like to give the team at Origin a pat on the back. They have led us on our EV journey and approached it as a true partnership. Their cost-effective infrastructure allowed us to make the vision of EVs for our field team members a reality.
It's been good with this whole transition. We've been able to trial a few different electronic vehicles. And yeah, I'm seriously considering whether I should invest in one myself now.